gonna take advantage of the opportunity to get off the mountain. That way the girls can get to school, because they go to school down the hill. And we don't know when we'll be allowed back up again. So we're packing for as long as we can. Packing up?
Yep.
We're out of here?
Yep. I'm done.
Has this been hard to
I'm so done.
hard to pack up?
Yeah, actually it took a long time.
Yeah.
It took all morning.
Because we don't know how long we're gonna be gone for, right?
No. We could be gone for months, we could be gone for a couple days. I don't know. So
Okay.
I just packed up everything.
Thank you for the foot.
You're welcome.
Okay, we're gonna start packing this car and get out of here. Okay, so since we don't know how long we're gonna be gone for, or if we'll have access again, we are moving everybody, meaning 2 adults, 3 children, 2 dogs, 2 birds, and 3 guinea pigs. Birds. Birds are in the car. Next is guinea pigs and children.
Hi, sweet girl. Hi, sweet boy. Oh, you're sitting down. Oh, and you're shaking. Oh, poor boy. Poor boy. Oh, and she's just all happy to be in the car. Oh, and it's fully raining outside.
Hi, Ferris.
Welcome to
Ferris is gonna go there. Daisy, tell me about it.
He's probably freezing right now, and he's like, his heart's racing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't like this first time outside?
Second, but the first time he doesn't remember. The first time's when we brought him home.
Terrible.
Oh, he's all freaked out.
So she's gonna hold 2 containers?
She's gonna have to.
I don't know how that's gonna work, dude.
Well, maybe like Java can go in the back because he has a smaller container. Whoa.
Okay.
They're really freaked out, actually. He's shaking. You can't really see it. But look at him. He's oh, now you can see it. He's freaked out. Was an armrest. Guinea pig.
Okay, so we made it down. We're making it down the 18, down the hill. There's some rock slides and stuff.
Rock slides and dirt.
The snow wasn't too bad, and everything seemed like it was pretty well plowed. The snow level was down to 2820, so just over 2,800 feet, and we're on our way. Daisy, how are the? Tell me about the guinea pig.
Got a
journeys.
Jawa. Got a Jawa. He's just been sitting in that corner. Got a Lammy.
Sorry, Joel.
She has a hat now. He's been running in circles. This is Dally, by the way. He's now trying to dig a hole. Ferris is down here. He's sitting in the corner. He ran around a few times, and I can't pet him because he's too far away. We got the birds back here. They're under a blanket. I can't reach under the. They're in there somewhere. And those are the guinea bird tails. Guinea bird tails. Oh! We're here!